both Papa John's and Pizza Hut have a dirty little secret, and I gotta share it with you. Let me break it down for you. If you order a pizza from Papa John's or Pizza Hut, you order a large pizza, one topping, get you a pepperoni pizza. It costs X amount of money. This is what you get. Count the pepperonis. Nice liberal amount of pepperonis. Now, order your sausage pizza. Different topping. Check it out. Same price basically, one topping. This is what you get. Check it out. Looks not too bad, right? I'd eat that. Here's where they get you. So you order yourself a multiple topping pizza. Let's just stay with two. Keep it simple. Say pepperoni sausage. You gotta pay more for it because you're getting pepperoni and sausage, right? Right. Here's what you get. Count the pepperonis. Look, I worked for both Pizza Hut and Papa John's years ago when I was a younger man. And I knew then, what they do is if you get pepperonis, you get X amount of pepperonis on your pizza. I think back at the time a large got like 36 if I'm not mistaken. If you order a sausage pizza, if I'm not mistaken you get 3 ounces of sausage and they spread it across the large pizza. And it was the same price. But if you wanted a 2-topping pizza or multiple topping pizza, for example the pepperoni sausage, what they do is they cut the pepperonis in half. You get like 16 pepperonis and 1.5 ounces of sausage. And you put it on there. You're getting 2 toppings, but you're only getting half as much as the other. So you're not really getting more of anything, you're just getting different. But you pay more. And that goes on if you want 3 toppings, they divide that amount you originally would get by 3. Or if you get 4 toppings, they divide it by more. And you pay more and more and more. You pay additional costs for each and every topping you put on the pizza. So ultimately, both Papa John's and Pizza Hut love it when you order multiple topping pizzas. Because that's where they're making their profit. Thanks for watching.